Hey, this is Mark with AFT Construction, and we are back here at Project Worth the Wait. And today, amongst other things going on here, we have the sauna being installed in the home gym. So let's go take a look at that. Well, we're here in the little exercise room here, or as known as the gym. And as you can see, the patio doors here open right up to the patio, also to the pool, so you can go have a dip in the pool after you exercise. Right here, we're putting in the sauna, and we don't need any drywall on the walls here. They just come right in and build this right on top of the studs. So right now they're just doing their pre-prep, installing all their control panels, getting everything ready. And once they're done with that, then they'll put like a foil lining inside this area that's like a heat reflective. So once that's done, they'll start installing all their cedar panels, and it's going to look really good. So we'll have some update on that as they progress. So some of the items that you'll see inside here, we have the cedar. This is actually a headrest that goes inside there. You'll see behind me they're working on the heating element, getting that prepped ready for install. Also, these rocks are what goes inside the heating element, and that is turned on. These are heated up, and then there's a bucket with a ladle that you just pour the water on top of these heated rocks. That's what produces the steam for the sauna. So in this room, this is the actual home gym. You'll see that we have vaulted ceilings, we have beams installed, we have a couple of ceiling fans, some can lights, and some speakers in here. Also, we'll have mirrors on this east wall over here. There'll be tall, almost floor-to-ceiling mirrors. And then inside here also we'll have rubber mats for flooring. And then obviously the exercise equipment that will be installed in here throughout the room. Well, we're back out here on the patio next to the pool, just so you can get the bearings here. Behind me, the exercise room that we were just in. Over to my left, the Ramada and the pool area right here. Fire pit lowered down a couple steps right there, and the main patio to the house up those steps right there. So thanks for checking us out again, and be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content.